Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a bot on Discord. Okay, so first you have to go to a Google web browser and search for BOTGHOST. Click this one, the first one that appears. Now this is what it looks like, and you cannot paste here because you need to create token first. So what you're going to do now is to go back to your Discord application. Click this new application here and then type a name, for example, my new bot, and then check this box here and then click create. After that, you have to click the third one here, bot, and then make sure that when you scroll down, the gateway intents are all toggled on. So scroll down and toggle this on, and then after that, you can click Save Changes. Okay, toggle this on. The first, second, third. Okay, and then tap this Save Changes here. Now, once done, you can go back or you can go up and then tap this Reset Token and then copy. So you have to copy this. First, yes, do it and then click copy. Okay, now after this, you can go back to BotGhost and you can paste it right here. Now click create bot, okay, and then wait for a few seconds. Click next, click next, click next, and next. Okay, now you can click join a server or you can click invite here, the fourth one. Tap this one. And then after you tap invite, it will take you directly to this, in which you're going to tap or select a server. Okay, for example, CJ server, and then authorize, and then yes, that's it. Click I am human, and you have to prove that you're human. And then after that, you can exit this and go to Discord application or go to Discord website, and then you can see it right away that the bot that you created earlier will appear here. As easy as that. And that's how you create bots on Discord. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.